Hey, what is going on? Today I'll be going through the steps on how to update your game in rest mode. Now please stick with me here because there are several steps we need to do in order to achieve this. Okay, so first things first, we'll go over to settings. That's at the very top right corner. Now in settings, we're going to scroll down to the system menu. And from here, we're going to scroll down to power saving. From here, we're going to go over to features available in rest mode. Now, so the whole point of this is that we want to stay connected to the internet while we're in rest mode. This will allow us to download all the latest updates for our games, including the system as well. So just make sure your system is connected to the internet. That's a whole separate video, but I'll assume that it is. Just make sure the toggle is on, like I have it here. So this is off, but we want it on. Okay, so that is step one. That is complete. So now let's go back out to settings. Go back to the system menu, and from here we're gonna go up to system software this time. And from here we're gonna go to system software update and settings. And here you can see if your system is up to date. You can see it says up to date. Yes. Next one is for the PS5. Download update files automatically. So that'll do it in rest mode, but this is the one we want. Install update files automatically. So just make sure this one is turned on in order to install updates for your games while in rest mode. Okay, so that is done. Now we'll head back out. This is the final step, I promise. We'll go back out to the settings menu. From settings, we're gonna go down to saved data and game app settings. Scroll down to automatic updates. So I have auto download enabled, and also make sure auto install in rest mode is turned on as well. Alright guys, so that is how you make sure you have the latest updates for your games while in rest mode. And just a reminder, you have to be in rest mode in order to get these updates. So your PS5 cannot be turned off in order for this to work. See you guys.